Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching 7-Zip and locating the folder you want to lock. Once you find it, right-click and choose 7-Zip, then Add to Archive. You pick a clear archive name and the 7Z format because it supports strong encryption and good compression. Make sure to select an appropriate compression level. Higher compression saves space, but takes more time. Once done, you're ready to move to the encryption and detailed options in the Add to Archive dialog. You now set the password in the encryption section, type a strong, memorable passphrase of at least 12 characters, and confirm it. Next, choose AES 256 as the encryption method because it secures both content and metadata when you also enable encrypt file names. Make sure Add Subfolders is checked if you want the entire folder tree included. Once you've adjusted compression and split options, balancing speed versus final size, press OK to create the locked 7Z. You should immediately test the new archive by opening it in 7-Zip and entering your password. This confirms both encryption and file integrity. Once verified, make a conscious decision. Either securely delete the original folder or move it to encrypted storage and keep backups. If something goes wrong, make sure you type the exact password, that both systems use compatible 7-Zip versions, and verify the archive isn't corrupted. If needed, try opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.